Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to make this scrolling marquee animation inside the Vue.js 3. So there is a package inside Vue.js 3 where you can animate a series of images like a marquee and a scrolling slideshow kind of. So when you load your application, these images will come. So you can configure these images using this package in Vue.js 3, which allows you to scroll your images. Nice little animation is going on. You will see that all your images will scroll like a marquee. So there is a package here. If you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, which is vue3-marquee. This is actually the name of the package. The command is simple. I just need to install this package, and it's almost having 6,000 weekly downloads. And they do offer a series of examples on their website. In nice little documentation is also given. You can even animate text as well. If you don't want to animate images, you can animate almost anything, any code. It can contain gradients. So a lot more examples are given. I will show you a very simple example. Scrolling text, scrolling images, all sort of things you can animate. So now to get started, first of all, after installing it, you just need to go to that main.ts file inside your Vue.js project and register this module. So for registering it, we just need to add some lines. So first of all, we will import this module. So we say import, and then I have given the link in the description so you can get all the source code. So I have just given a GitHub repo where you can get all this. So let me just show you. So first of all, you use the import statement vue3-marquee, and we just write this line, and it will be coming from vue3. So the package is almost 8 kilobytes. We import this package first of all, and I think it also, after registering it, we need to register that. So simply we need to pass it using this app.use, and then we pass vue-marquee. So that's all. We import this and then we use it. So just close this file and now come to your app.vue file, and right here inside our template we will define the vue3-marquee component like this. So here it can contain text as well. So this is simple text, a heading tag, and then we can animate a series of images as well. We can provide a height 200, a width of 300, and then we can use this parameter vbind, and we can bind a source which is image1. So now we just need to define these in the TypeScript code. So I will just repeat these. So I will just change it to image2, image3, image4. So now in this TypeScript code we define this. First of all, we import the module. So using the import statement, so we just write import vue3-marquee, and it will be coming from this package, which is vue3. And then we need to load these images which are stored in my assets directory. If you see in the source directory, we have the assets directory by default, and we store all the images that you want to animate. So we have all these 6 images, and I will directly import these images using the import statement. So image1 slash asset slash 1 jpg, and in this way you can import these. We just need to replace it by the name. So we imported all these 6 images. Now we just need to export this component. So we just write export default and then followed by the components that we need to export. So here we define this component vue3-marquee, and then we also need to pass the data as well. So to the Vue.js component. So we will pass all these images one by one. So image2. So in this way you can configure this, and if you check the output in the browser, it will look something like this. If I open localhost, so you will see it will have the scrolling effect, scrolling, and it will also contain the text as well, if you see, alongside with the images. So you can animate almost anything with this package. So the configuration process is very simple. You import the package, then you define the things that needs to be scrolled, such as in the marquee component, and then you can animate and in a scrolling way. So instead of images, it can have text as well. So a series of text that you want to animate. So you will see scrolling text. It is moving in the horizontal. So they do offer their documentation. You can read more about it. Vue3-marquee. So it's zero dependencies, what vertical marquee. So you can read their documentation as well. So thank you very much, and it also provides you with the direction property as well. I think you can directly pass it a direction property, and if you pass it reverse, it will, I think it will animate in the reverse direction. So you will see, we can all check out all the properties, the duration, you can time taken, you can even put a delay, loop, gradient. So all these options are available. So you can read their documentation and configure this module in Vue 3. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.